There is no better feeling as a collector than adding to your collection. Collector's Corner exists to help you with that process. Every day, tons of coins, trading cards, currency, and stamps are bought and sold over our network. Here are 20 highlighted collectibles available for sale by some of the world's top and most trusted dealers. Here's a 1795 flowing hair half dollar 2 leaves PCGS VF30, a fabulous early type coin with a conservative grade, great eye appeal. 1882 CC GSA Morgan Dollar NGC MS64 in black box with card VAM 3B. 1806 straight bus quarter PCGS XF45, a virgin beauty, ample luster remains on this wonderful piece. 1921 S Walking Liberty half dollar PCGS XF40. 1878 S partial color mint air trade dollar NGC XF45 railroad wheel. A great find for the advanced trade dollar collector. This is undoubtedly an extremely rare error. Here's a $20 1902 national currency Tucson, Arizona PMG 30. $50 1861 Confederate PMG 58. $5 1969C Federal Reserve Note Double Print PMG 65 EPQ. $2 1899 Silver Certificate PMG 58 EPQ. $20 1929 Type 1 National Currency Tucson, Arizona PMG 30. Here is a 1972 Topps number 445 Tom Seaver PSA Mint 9. 1972 Topps number 436 Reggie Jackson in Action PSA Mint 9. 1953 Topps number 50 Roberto Clemente PSA Near Mint Mint 8. 1976 Topps number 220 Jack Lambert PSA Near Mint Mint 8. 1972 Topps number 560 Pete Rose in Action PSA Near Mint Mint 8. Here is Scott number 71 1861 30-cent orange PSE ungraded used. Scott number 73 1863 2-cent black PSE extremely fine 90 jumbo used. Scott number 78 1863 24-cent lilac PSE extremely fine 90 used. Scott number 79 1867 3-cent Rose A Grill PSE VGF 60 used. Scott number 97 1867 12-cent Black F Grill PSE extremely fine superb 95 used. Whether it be coins, trading cards, currency, or stamps, Collector's Corner has what you're looking for. Add to your collection today by visiting us at www.collectorscorner.com. Remember, your collection is just around the corner at Collector's Corner.